Hospitals don't lose money when equipment breaks. They lose money when nobody reports it. Every extra minute before a complaint is registered means more downtime, more confusion, and more operational loss. And surprisingly, this delay usually starts with something as simple as a phone call or a WhatsApp message. In most hospitals, when an ECG monitor, ventilator, or MRI machine stops working, the first challenge isn't fixing it. It's making sure the right person even knows about it. That's where valuable time disappears. Now, imagine this instead. A nurse notices an ECG monitor isn't working. She simply scans the QR code on the machine or raises a complaint through the mobile app or the web portal. And if she's working in a remote PHC with only a basic keypad phone, she can even register the complaint through an IVR call by entering the asset ID. No smartphone required. That's exactly why OpSuite supports IVR, because many government healthcare projects still operate in remote locations with basic phones. The moment the complaint is registered, OpSuite automatically links it to the correct asset, assigns the right technician, sets the priority, starts the SLA timer, and keeps escalating the ticket if nobody responds on time. No manual forwarding, no confusion, no "I thought someone else was handling it." Managers can instantly see which tickets are open, overdue, resolved, which assets fail the most, and where downtime is increasing, all from a single dashboard. And this isn't built for just one hospital. OpSuite is already supporting 500 plus hospitals and 18 plus state government projects, where reliable complaint reporting is critical even in remote healthcare centers. Every delayed complaint silently increases downtime. Every missed SLA slowly increases maintenance costs. And every manual follow-up steals time your team will never get back. The question isn't whether your hospital has maintenance issues. It's whether you know about them before they become expensive.